Histology of dense, regular connective tissue. Connective tissue, 3 types: connective tissue proper, fluid, and supporting. For connective tissue proper, we organize them into loose and dense, and we're looking at dense, regular. What do we mean by dense? Remember, connective tissue has specialized cells that make a matrix that includes fibers. So we see this in tendons and ligaments to give us that strength. So dense, regular connective tissue is tendons and ligaments. So it's dense to give us that strength, and they're regularly patterned. To me, it's like looking at a rope that all the twine is nicely organized because it gives us consistent strength. So when we look at this is showing the muscles of the body, skeletal muscles, but the white sections to where we're going to attach to bone, those are going to be tendons. So our tendons include dense, regular connective tissue. To me, it looks like you took just a nice paintbrush stroke. So I took a paintbrush with some pink paint in this case and just swiped it across the slide. When we looked at adipose, a bunch of clear white bubbles. When I look at areolar connective tissue, it looks like a bunch of sticks in a campfire. It doesn't need to make sense to you as long as you remember when you look into a slide, what does it look like to you? It doesn't have to be academic, just to remember the tissue. So the type of tissue, dense, regular, when I see that nice paintbrush stroke, looks a little similar to smooth muscle. So that can be, depending on the slides in your class, can be a little bit ambiguous. But when I look at the nuclei, they're elongated in this case. So all these dark lines indicate the nuclei of what cells? Remember, fibroblasts. Specialized cells. We have fibroblasts, osteoblasts, and chondroblasts. When we look at a lot of connective tissue proper, the cells that make the fibers are fibroblasts. So also remember just the terminology. Identify the cells. The cells are fibroblasts. They make the structures of the matrix, which includes then all of the fibers. So any of that pink, purple that you see out of that includes the fibers. 3 types of fibers: collagen, reticular, and elastic. But we see collagen in tendons and ligaments. So the structures they create are the collagen fibers. So that wavy action are those protein fibers. Collagen fibers are the structures. The cells are the elongated nuclei. Those are fibroblasts. This is dense, regular connective tissue.